Message ko kay Charlie, sana lumaki siyang healthy, mabait, mapagmahal sa magulang and sa ate niya. That's it.
You're the wish in the well. You're my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. You're the first of the year, a warm kiss in the cold. You're the whisper in my ear when I need it the most.
Charlie, 6 years in the making, di ba? Tagal natin naghintay. At least binigay pa rin ni bro.
All I need.
Charlie was make me happy because it was a baby girl.
How do I say how much you really
Do you love Charlie?
Yeah,
when I can't find no words to speak?
I love you,
You're
Charlie.
all I need.
She always cooked and here, everywhere.
So when you're feeling blue with a weight on your chest, I can feel it too. I'll take your worst and the best. I'll be there for you like you're there for me, 'cause you are all I need. All I need.
So Charlie, sana maging healthy at mabait sa masunurin na bata sa iyong mga magulang. Basta healthy lang. Nakikinig lagi sa kay mami. And syempre palalaki na may counsel.
You're all I need. Oh, you're all I need.
Gusto ko lang normal delivery, safe, tapos healthy. Yun lang. Normal lang.
You're the wind
Ayoko
in my
Be
sails.
strong.
masakit.
You're the pull of the sea. You're the wish in the well, and my faithful belief. If the whole wide world was offered to me, still you'd be all I need. Oh, you'd be all I need.
Hindi man yung inaasahan ko na lalaki.
Wow.
At least kung tuwan-tuwa naman si Nenet
Si
na siya ang nanalo sa gender reveal. We will give the same kind of love na binibigay natin kay Meme.
Yes. Wag mo lang spoil.
Hindi naman ako ba nag-spoil? Ikaw naman disciplinarian. So, ano lang, balance lang. Ako yung pala spoil sa mga bata ko.